So, hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to today's session of expected memory based questions for SBI Clerk 2021 day 2 mock test 1. Okay, so hero session lo inko examples discuss cheddam which are very important for our SBI clerical examinations. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start today's session. Right, so let's go for question number 1 of the day. So just understand this question. So this question comes from coding and decoding, specifically substitutional coding. Okay, right. So see here, how many sort of statements you can find? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically we can expect a minimum 2 and maximum 5 type of statements, and here I have given you the question also. What is the code for clever young girl? Right. So here strategy enti ante compare any two statements and get the word in common, as simple as that. Okay, right. Good evening everyone, good evening. I am fine, Balu, how are you? Now here you can see that from first and second statement, tell them young, wise, young, sharp, tell. So you can find the keyword young, which is common in the statement. So young, K-A-L-A-P-A, N-O-P-A-K-U-P-K-A. So I can say that P-A is the common word that is present. Similarly, you can find young in third statement as well as fourth statement also. So definitely young ante nenu evani cheppochu PA. I can definitely say that young stands for PA. Similarly, I want the other keywords like clever and girl, which is sufficient. Right? So look at the statement. Clever is present in fourth statement. Right? So just check for the common keywords which is present with respect to second and fourth. Why? Because sharp tomorrow, sharp. So you can find the word sharp, which is common. N-O-K-U-P-K-E, T-O-K-U-P-J-O. So you can say K-U-P is a word which is common. That means sharp ante definitely I can say K-U-P. But nak sharp awesome ledu. I want clever and I want girl. So clever ante I can say that T-O or J-O. Okay, but here if you look at third statement, clever is the word in common, third and fourth. So clever ante nenu confirm ga TO అని చెప్పేసేయచ్చు. That means my answer should be TAPA combination. Option number 1 కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. BEVEPA no chance. Jayashree is saying option number 2 చూద్దాం. TO కదా, TO PA BE chance ఉంది. Why? Because girl is a word which is not present in any of the statement. సో గర్ల్ని మనం బి అని చెప్పచ్చు. మిగతా కాంబినేషన్స్ చూద్దాం. LANATO ఛాన్స్ లేదు, TOPA ఉండాల్సిందే. TOPAJO, సి JO అంటే ఐ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ సే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ టుమారో, బట్ గర్ల్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సిమిలర్లీ KENITO ఈ కాంబినేషన్ నాకు సెట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. సో గర్ల్ అనే వర్డ్కి నేను BE అనే వర్డ్ ఇచ్చేసుకోవచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, so Jayashree and Mr. Balu, very good. Option number 2 will be our answer. Okay, so as I said, this particular questions will be given for 5 marks. 5 different questions, 5 different marks. Okay, నేను ఇక్కడ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ఒకటే క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాను, బట్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మాత్రం మనకి 5 different questions 5 different marks ఇస్తారు. రైట్, అలానే క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2కి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను ఆఫ్ ద డే. రైట్, సో లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ దెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎ ట్రై. Just look at this particular question. So this question is from blood relations based concept. Blood relations. PQRST and X are members of a family. There are 2 married couples and all the people are of different professions. Engineer, lawyer, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, there is one engineer, one lawyer, one teacher, one housewife and 2 students in the family, right? So total we have 6 people. సో క్వశ్చన్ కూడా నేను ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసాను, హౌ ఈస్ టీ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎక్స్. సో ఒకవేళ మీకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తే గివ్ మీ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్, రైట్? సో ఏమంటున్నారు, క్యూ ఈజ్ అన్ ఇంజనీర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ టీ. సో క్యూ ఈజ్ అన్ ఇంజనీర్ అండ్ క్యూ ఈజ్ ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ టీ. సింపుల్. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్. సి గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ అంటే 2 generations అండ్ ఈజ్ ఏ లాయర్. సో ఆర్ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ అంటే ఫాదర్స్ ఫాదర్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేదంటే మదర్స్ ఫాదర్ అవ్వచ్చు, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ అండ్ ఈజ్ ఏ లాయర్. సో అండ్ రిఫర్స్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఎక్స్. సో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ లాయర్. దెన్ ఎస్ ఈజ్ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఆఫ్ టీ. సో టీ's గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఎక్స్, ఎస్. సో టీ's గ్రాండ్ మదర్ విల్ బి ఎస్, గ్రాండ్ మదర్ కాబట్టి ఫీమేల్. అండ్ ఈజ్ హౌస్ వైఫ్, అండ్ రిఫర్స్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఎస్. So S is housewife, right? X grandfather, S grandmother ante both X and S will be one married couple. So already akkada ichina information lo cheppadam jarigindi. What is that? There are 2 married couples. Okay, as there are 2 married couples, out of which one married couple will be X and S, as simple as that. Similarly, S is grandmother of T and is a housewife. Right, so total 1 2 3 4 5. I got 5 people. Total there are 6 people. So one person is missing. Evaradi ante P. Provided the other married couple will be P and Q. Simple. Provided P and Q other married couple అయిపోతే, provided R and T will be the children of P and Q. Right? So ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్రకారం there is one engineer. We know Q is engineer. One is lawyer. X is lawyer. One is teacher. So you can give teacher to P. One housewife is S, we know that already. And there are 2 students. 2 students ante basically you can give for the last generation, which is nothing but R and T. So R is a student as well as T is also a student. As simple as that. Now look at the question. What is the question he is asking? How is T related to X? So T emavutaru X ki. So X son is Q, Q's child is T. So you can say grandchild. Why? Because T's gender is unknown. So grandchild ante specifically if you want to say, it can be grandson or it can be granddaughter. DAUGHTER. So it can be grandchild. Ledu ante you can simply say grandson or granddaughter. Right? Good evening Mahi Gupta. So this will be the final family tree according to the given question. As simple as that. Okay, then similarly let me take you to the next question. So look at this particular question. Yes, if it is cannot be determined, then you can say cannot be determined, or you can say grandchild, or you can say grandson or granddaughter. Now look at this particular question. For this question I am giving you 30 seconds of time and your time starts now. So be careful. Why? Because there are multiple persons as well as multiple dimensions, directions, as well as distance. So just go for the connecting point. Which connecting point is important, where it is important, how you are supposed to use it, depends upon this particular kinds of questions. Right, so those who are trying, try. Avinashi is 25 meters west of Balu. So if I give Balu here, to the west of Balu, Avinashi is present at a distance of 25. So make sure that this is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. Which is 6 meters north of Karna, which refers to the second person, Balu. Balu is 6 meters north of Karna. North means up. So 6 meters north of Kanna. Then Hema is 9 meters south of Isha. I don't know where is Hema. Why? Because I got only 3 people. Avinash, Balu and Kanna. Skip. Gauri is 5 meters south of Farah, which is 15 meter east of Shriji. No idea. Emily is 15 meters south of Avinash. You can use this point. Emily is 15 meters south of Avinash. So Avinash, 15 meters south. Who is present? Emily. So we know that this distance will be 6. If total is 15, it should be 9, provided 6 plus 9 equals to 15. Now, Hema is 15 meters east of Gauri. No idea. Shriji is 5 meters north of Diksha, who is 8 meters east of Emily. So who is 8 meters east of Emily? Diksha is 8 meters east of Emily. So 8 meters east of Emily, Diksha is present. Shriji is 5 meters north of Diksha. So 5 meters north of Diksha, Shriji is present. There are multiple points, keep that in mind. Okay, so previously I have got few points which I have not added. I am trying to add those. Gauri is 5 meters south of Farah, who is 15 meters east of Shriji. So who is 15 meters east of Shriji? Farah is 16 meters east of Shriji. So east of Shriji by 15 meters, Farah is present. So we know that 8 plus 15, 8 plus 15, which is equals to how much? 23. Total I know it is 25, means how much excess is left? 2 meters excess is left. Provided 23 plus 2, which is equals to 25. As simple as that. Then Gauri is 5 meters south of Farah. So south of Farah, 5 meters, Gauri is present. Diksha and Gauri will be in a straight line, no problem. Why? Because this is 5, this is 5, this will be 15. They are parallel lines, no problem. Then Hema is 12 meters east of Gauri. So east of Gauri by 12 meters, who is present? Hema. Right? Then Hema is 9 meters south of Isha. So Hema is 9 meters. So we know that this is 9. So Hema is 9 meters south of Isha. Now if you look at the question, what is the question he is asking? What is the distance between Kanna and Isha? So see here, Kanna is present here, Isha is present here. Right? So we know that this distance is how much? 25. And this distance, total distance is 12. So up to here, 12 means it is 2 and it is 10. Provided the distance between Kanna and Isha will be how much? This is 10 meters. So the distance between Kanna and Isha will be 6, so not 6 Jayashree, it will be 10 meters. Keep that in mind. ఎందుకంటే see, ఇది మొత్తం 25. ఇక్కడ దాకా 23 అంటే ఎక్సెస్ ఎంత ఉన్నట్టు? 2 meters ఉన్నట్టు. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత? 12. టోటల్ ఈస్ 12. ఇది 2 అంటే ఇది 10 అనే కదా అర్థం. సో 10 and 10. ప్యారలల్ లైన్ సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ కాబట్టి కన్నాకి ఈషాకి మధ్యలో డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత అవుతుంది అంటే యూ కెన్ సింప్లీ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 10, నాట్ 12. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ 12, ఇట్ విల్ బీ 10. అలానే గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. లెట్స్ సీ వాట్ డస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ సే. So Ravi is second right of Sumit. Sumit is 29th from backside. What is the position of Ravi from left side? Interesting. Multiple points unte it will be very interesting, Balu. Ade single person left to right అనేటట్టయితే it will be like normal based questions. But reasoning will be always special in my sessions. So that's why whatever the interesting examples will be there, I will be bringing that. Don't worry. Right? So ఈ పర్టికులర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది ఒకసారి చూడండి. రవి ఈజ్ సెకండ్ రైట్ ఆఫ్ సుమిత్. సుమిత్ ఈజ్ 29th from back side. So let's say this is front and let's say this is back. Okay, so Sumit is 29th from back side. So 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Back side nunchi Sumit's place is 29. Ravi is second right of Sumit. So Sumit first right, second right. Evaruntaru ikkada? Ravi. This is towards the right of Sumit. See, up to here it is 29. Malli I am coming in backward direction. That means the place value of Ravi will get decreased by 2 places. So 29 minus 2, you can call it as 27. My reference is Sumit from back side. That means Ravi will be also from back side. So Ravi's position, I know, but from the front side. So this you can call it as left and this you can call it as right, no problem. So from right side you can say it is 27, but from the left side, no idea. So that's why our answer will be option number D, cannot be determined. Nice, very good, very good. Very good, Balu and Jayashree, both of you. Right? Similarly, look at this particular question which is from Silox. Let's see what does your answer say. No C is P, only FUP is R, all C is I. Right? So just to see what is happening particularly to this particular Silox based question. No C is P, only FUP is R, means some P is R, some P is not R. Only if you, as I told, it is a conditional sum. Conditional sum ante it is a combination of sum as well as sum not. Then all C is I. All C is I. Now look at this particular question based conclusion. So look at first one. What does first conclusion will be? False. Similarly, look at 2. What does 2 say? All PRR is a possibility. See, only a few P is R. Means some PRR, some PR not R. All PRR. Can I say all PRR is possible? No chance. Why? Because see, some PRR you can say, some PR not R you cannot say. So that's why you can say conclusion number 2 will be false. So this particular conclusion is not satisfying the given statement. That's why you can say false. Now look at third. What does third say? No C is R. What is the relation between C and R? Do we have no relation? C ki R ki majhlo no relation ledu. Kabatti you can say conclusion number 3 kuda false అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇలా ఉంటే అప్పుడు మనం నో రిలేషన్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. బట్ ఇలాంటి నో రిలేషన్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ సెట్లో కనపట్లేదు. సో దాట్స్ వై యూ కెన్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఫాల్స్. సో అవర్ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ నన్ ఫాలోస్. ఆల్ యూ కెన్ సే ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్. దిస్ ఆర్ దాట్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. నన్ ఫాలోస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్, ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, నైస్, వెరీ గుడ్. అదే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ గివ్ ఈజ్ ఏ పాసిబిలిటీ, then you can say it is true. Idigo, no relation between C and R. That time you can say if it is a possibility case. But definitely we don't have the exact relationship between C and R. So that's why I am going to say it as false. Okay, I hope it is clear. Similarly, look at this particular question. Let's see what does your answer say. No B is N, all S is N, only a few C is S. No B is N, all S is N, only a few C is S. Means some C are S, some C are not S. Now look at first conclusion. What does first conclusion say? All SRC is a possibility. Of course you can say all SRC. Why? Because from this diagram you can say some CRS, some CR not S, no problem. So first conclusion simply becomes true. Now look at 2. What does 2 say? All BRC is a possibility. This conclusion says possibility case. All BRC, bring B here, don't touch N. All BRC is possible. So this conclusion also becomes true. So the correct answer for this particular question will be both the conclusions follows. Both the conclusions follows. Right? As simple as that. Nice. Very good. Okay. Now let me take you to one of the very interesting question with respect to sitting arrangement circle based on 3 parameter. I want you to look at this particular question once. So this is very, very important model. Very, very, very important. Which are useful for your pre-examinations. Right? So just understand this question. I'll be giving you only 1 minute of time. I'll solve this question. After getting this PDF, you can solve this question from your perspective also. Just understand, only 1 minute of time I will be giving you, but I will be solving the question for you, no problem. But you try from your perspective also. Okay, so what does the information say? 6 ministers LMNOPR are sitting in a circular table facing towards the center. They are from different states, 6 different states. Each of them like 6 different food items: ginger, mango, tomato, lemon, spinach and potato, but not necessarily in the same order. So what are the 3 parameters? The first parameter is person, second parameter is state, and the third parameter is food item. How these guys are seated? They are seated in a circle and everyone is facing towards the center. Okay, so here I don't have space, so what I am doing is I am taking you to the next slide, right? So total we have how many people? 6 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, based on which point I am going to start, that is what the important aspect in the sitting arrangement. Okay, understand carefully. The persons who are from MP, NL and LO like neither ginger nor mango. So MP, NL and LO are states. MP, NL, LO. So these guys don't like ginger, mango. Negative statement right now not necessary. Then the persons who like tomato and spinach are neither from NP nor NL. So tomato and spinach, they are not from the state called MP and they are not from the state called NL. Simple. Then M is from NL while R is not from MP. So M is from NL, R is not from MP. So this is a direct statement. M is from NL. Now see, here I did not get any connecting point. So whatever the points I have got, I have written beside. The one who is from NRO is to the immediate right of the person who likes ginger. Now you can go with this point. The one who is from NRO is to the immediate right of the person who likes ginger. So ginger, immediate right, who is present? NRO. Okay, but on the immediate left of the person who is from NL. So but refers to the first person. So who is the first person? NRO. So NRO is immediate left of the person who is from NL. So NRO, NL, immediate left will be present. Immediate left of NL, NRO is present, and we know that M is from NL. Direct statement. Simple. Now by using this point, I know 3 different variables. One is food item, the other one is state, and the other one is state as well as the person, M and NL. Simple. L does not like ginger. So ginger is not liked by L and is not on immediate left of the person who is from PM. So no idea who is from PM. The one who is from MP is sitting opposite to the person who likes potato. That means MP and potato both are opposite to each other. While the person who likes tomato is on the immediate left of the person from LO. So LO, immediate left, who is present? Tomato. I don't know where LO and tomato is present. Skip. The only person who is sitting between P and R is from NP. From NP. So in between P and R, whoever the person is present, that person is from the state called NP. No idea. Skip. The person who is sitting on immediate left of the person from the person who likes ginger is not from NRO. So ginger, immediate left, NRO. See, ginger, immediate right, NRO is present, not on immediate left. No problem. O is from PM and he likes tomato. So O is from PM and he likes tomato. O is the person who is from NP. OE is facing the person who is from NP. So this is what the main important point. OE is from PM and he likes tomato. That means I need a place where person is vacant, state is vacant, and food item is vacant. Where can you put OPM tomato? No chance. OPM no chance. OPM no chance. OPM tomato, here you can put. OPM tomato, here you can put, but OE is off facing the person from NP. So OE is opposite to NP, no chance. OE is opposite to NP, no chance. So this is the only place you can put. O is from the state called PM and O will be liking tomato, and O is facing the person who is from NP. So O is facing the person who is from NP. Simple. Then P is from MP. Now here I have got one point. The only person who is sitting between P and R is from NP. So P, R or P, R is from NP. The person between P and R is from NP. There is only one person and that person is belonging to NP. And we came to know that P is from MP. If I put P here, here P belongs to NRO. But according to the last point, what he has given, P is from NP. So remove P from here and remove R from here. So P is from the state called MP. As simple as that. Now see, here I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 people. 2 people are missing. Who are those 2? Just to see, I got O, I got M, I got R, as well as I got P. So 2 people are missing. Who are those 2? L and N. So L is not from ginger, so here you can give L and here you can give N. As simple as that. Now you can go for the states. Okay, what are the states? MP is finished, NP is finished, NRO is finished, NL is finished, PM is finished. NL is finished, PM is finished. What is the only one left? LO. So you can give L to LO. Simple, finish. Now only one is left. What is that? Food items. So look at the food items. Ginger, finish. R we don't know. M we don't know. Tomato is finished. Lemon, spinach and potato. So depend upon potato, we have got one information. So MP is opposite to potato, right? So MP is opposite to potato. Finish. Similarly, LO, immediate left tomato is present. LO, immediate left tomato. Finish. Now 3 food items are missing: mango, lemon and spinach. For that we will use this point as well as this point also. Okay, so here I have got one person, MP. So MP cannot like ginger, mango, tomato, spinach. Ginger, mango, tomato, spinach. If not these 3, you can give lemon to MP. So you can give lemon. So lemon is finished. Now I am left with mango and spinach, right? So LO and NRO. So LO cannot like mango. So LO cannot like mango. So what we will do is we will give mango to NRO and we will give the one which is left is purely based on spinach to the person called L. Right? So this is one of the very interesting question where 3 different parameters are given with respect to circular arrangement. Okay, so as you know the answer, you try from your perspective. So this will be the final arrangement according to this particular question. Okay, so similarly these kinds of examples I will be bringing you to the next class. So meanwhile I will be ending of the session for today's. So keep watching our channel and tomorrow we'll continue the same at 7:15 live, right? So thank you everyone. Keep subscribing our channel, share it to your friends maximum.